Hi, GCDs. Meba Bawumia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news nkwa ena mede promo. Anuti so when you subscribe ya, omodi answer you be subscribe to the channel. Double answer you click the subscribe button no. Now abele notification no. We have a new video be upload no. For the first person I was sabeka video. I think we are now like video no give us a thumbs up na fi. Share my offer for us now when you be here now we and someone ekoso. Ewo dan bi mu ha Afriyie gura ye sema abeto ye proso yeti yes a report ya ba bitu ga hiti sansem
obi no Nonsénse so what just say who abuse no a ene ye say but once a why when ya wine bi weta kakra wote living room where did when ni so when wote wonom kakra kama and no ye
okay it's ye bepe video na yet said you all kind of fire, but no crest or cars idea, and now one and try ye. Okay,
and this Yamanyo Kona, Omude Secrét, Yabe Catra Samuel Atta, Sena Daurma, a Samuel Kaino, on Tensan one pato. National Democratic Congress, and this Yamanyo Coach Rese, and Rashabe Genia with Rama this year where Boakye South constituency. Now a more yemini rally be. Ewo August da na toso aduonu woche ena onabo Samuel Atta address NDC flag bearer His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say we kwensani na NDC amanyokuo enhu saa asem no a Atta ka ye no say eyenimtiabuo ena odibu omupani a wodi womanim na saa asem wei ye democracy no ena wototo nase NPP amanyoko na ye desperate.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na onimsasa na omusubantie. Womu peso omu katra Mensah say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wonya kwensani te sade na Samuel Atta pa akyere no. Asemu a wokae no enya nika. Ghana fo nyina nim John Dramani Mahama no track records. Ena ni leadership qualities ye woni mu eba ni n'adwuma ya ye pe echeopa edi fira Atta nten so obeti asem no asan na wobepa chewo na sa wanti ansan na so wampa chewo a NDC amanyoku ade a omo pe ayi omo flag bearer no integrity say begina brane enti so wanti ansan no wampa chewo a won de onko nanim NDC pese okatere Nkofo nyina se womu de campaign na womu ye no ehwo na ayi womu focus eniama pa womu leader betumi aye no eno na womu nkantra mansan na Ghana fo ntie nto abanfama won enye nsem ye ti sei
okay
fi avikote e general secretary
mama me hwe se na na aboa me ene no ma be secret
economics ya ne hojo onyansafo oba onyansafo awanom nsa oh mukaso nyami ahyira yo nyami ahyira ana me ka kyerem se Ghana ya benya onyansafo awanom nsa mumpe we na mupa sotro obi kaso nyami ahyira yo economics ya ne hojo onyansafo oba onyansafo awanom nsa oh mukaso nyami ahyira yo nyami ahyira ana me ka kyerem se Ghana ya benya onyansafo awanom nsa mumpe we na mupa sotro obi kaso nyami ahyira yo
okay enti asama okan ye nie se Ghana fo benya onyansafo a onom nsa wa modin se bia simesi enom nsa na so kwamna ne enom nsa na emom de okan se ye benya onyansafo a onom nsa kwamna assessment
one say sasem we okay say danu amampeni so kasa no ono so can the same
amampeni be nanado
yeah no say obi anim say onom nsa okay
Also, people who knows me
knows that
I don't
news
think.
on YouTube.
Men
Hot
no
news all
But
time.
when you could see
You are
the
watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
aspersions, insinuations.
Yeah, no matter say nyina yesi ye pe asomdwe no. Ya mayan so because emphasis woni so. Wo de ka de wo leader no betumi aye. Wahu ka de wo leader no say ye nyina yesi ye pa asomdwe a let's do away with that petty eniyama no. What I say? Ehun hia. Oh, me leader no oba sesa. Isi ade Ghana for pe eye adwuma. The Ghana for pe eye asetena pa. The Ghana for pe ene se nneoma bo beba fom.
Okay.
Anyway.
O yare papa. No attach na to o kasa no. Ono attach and to come ben won ko government we mu. Attach ya. A hell hypocrite. And to come ben and attach ya Akufo Addo. Do you want me to play tapes? He shouldn't dare me. He's got them a rook. Ono attach na to. And lot of nyoma attach at swap. Ono to come and tell Ghanaians the truth about what went on. I want the minister of Etiaka. A hell hypocrite. Obeba mi bro fuma ke kan some fun a kire no. Mudi some fun what Ghana nyo bi ade o. Ghana nyo bi ade o. Wonu attach ya, wonu ka kire obi said ye. Ebeden, so he will provoke us. He will provoke us to also do something against whoever. On one edition, on na mi be ya chance. No mbisa na edition said ye na ye hu. Attach, don't provoke us. Me de me sa mo sam fun sa de masa mi nchelo. No. I hate this politics na moye no. Leave it to some people to do it. But attach to me, who attach ya, who be kasebi. Attach ya. Who be kasebi. Now wabano obetra Owusu ministry honam na apparently it take also for dodo say and so mo bom pa ma attach ma sa oba no twe no eko wiase na so for ne ka che say ewura na oba na brabo no oye marine girl. She comes from the marine kingdom. We are me bio Pandora box so go anymore say attach you better shut up and give Ghanaians a break. And you ma what attach and why your ministry ya ka say we please give us a break. From a 99 days na kana mu be dim huni mesin NPP obi entim unni tumi a mu betimi aka Ghana for this or that. We are almost at the close of the edges of it. And another me kind of say some hwe mu be din nsam a ebema oman no ojato man mu a then sit here and I join other hands and I call the Ghana Armed Forces come take over the nation, protect the territorial sovereignty of the country, protect our constitution, protect our parliament, protect our judiciary, protect our territorial lands, and protect our territorial waters, protect our territorial airspace.
Hot news all
And
time.
I'm
watching juicy news on YouTube.
Nefi,
News all
Electoral
time.
Commission on supervising elections. Yeah, we are. Then the military hand over power to whoever. Other than that, baby ejina will be our ben messy up no adebeyo moon penny years and your moment election and coastal because we are picking a lot of hardcore intelligence of a new man person yeah mamo kwine I swear to God yeah mo bia kwine sa nye nano ne I can sit here with this my little microphone and we can raise the flag of the Republic of Ghana down. I repeat, with this little microphone with this microphone I dare you guys there. We shall raise the flag of this republic down. Papa because we will not allow the citizens of Ghana, of which some of us we are part of it, to go through yet again another 4 years of torture. Never again. And may I say and say again, don't go and sit out there and tell me that Kweku Annan is calling for a coup. Rubbish. What kind of coup here can I say? I'm not calling for a coup. After the coup, okay? But as soldier for me take over the nation quickly. No me kuta because and now we say yeah political power. You say na fine it will trust them be ways and means. That is an American. Ebra politics a huntie. Politics I to say a form agro bi die ni sa ni omaniam no ye be hunu Net as a politics I want to near to the man crama is on Tafre. I say, would you hear? And that's the politics. Some persons like this guy attach them. I start to person here. Now, maybe born for Nibia Trinity attach and so on in wine a casa. The dear Bentina attach a bit to me. A Owusu, journalists from here, and ye now walk more parliament. Now, you're senior member of the government. Wakwatra hockey can be Ghana for Beshan and so. This same attach away years back. Newspaper be the Enquirer newspaper led by Raymond Acha. Omuye publication be found in one of the elections. I'm saying Akufo time. Attacher was accused of say, or ya womwa, womu sisters zamukaya not dead bodies and then adebechi dead body da weda proud to send ye babe tuaban. Attacher was fixed in that conspiracy plot. Na be sure Attacher say, hey, ye di asama tono so. And I quite remember say Radio Gold. Any Enquirer newspaper for a shooting story out there. It was not a joke. Nini bre and no jina simpie so did you be at them say ubi a debeng. But the question is that Mumisa attach and say Aden attach or ye a friend say a relative of President Akufo Addo, a senior member of this government, Aden ye free Minister of Housing. Namunim say attach a friend saying campaigns, yes. And I'll tell you guys, there are a lot of NPP in Bawumia. They are not at the back of Bawumia because Bawumia be winning. No, no. They want Bawumia to win power. Then they will use that moment to also pay some people in NPP the price. Oh yes, any people NPP moi Bawumia be winning all winning no enya na ye Bawumia be winning a nya o makono no no wo makono ne say they wo mu hear power, a source of power, so they can use that power to pay some group of people in NPP. Na nya Bawumia ho akono nti and attach or one of hell of a hypocrite attach a hell hypocrite who nini kreba kusi on abrabo. No, you know, she be maybe or no so to her. One on what did it or be swat them say Nipani at their bank. See the all can take a lesson to him.
Economies here, Nehojo, Onyasafuaba, Onyasafu, our Nonsénse. Oh, Mukasonya Miachline, oh, Yamiachline. And I may catch him say, Ghana, Benya, Onyasafu, our Nonsénse. Mumpewe na mupa sutro. Obi kaso onyami ehia.
MPP penibia send me message na emesre. Okay? No. Kwabena Agyapong meka ne kra natural straight up. Now you know what? I am not doing this just because I'm doing it for John Mahama. But some person na kra netia. Take it. Leave me to tell my truth. With all the presidents we've had, listen to me. With all the presidents we've had in this country, right from Jerry John Rawlings, Kufo, and why Besi why, enipa mienu na asofa political dirty. I mean, politics. Me who said I mean putuno dirty politics power. The first person, no, why Rawlings, and the next person. Former President John Mahama. Even at this time, who is there? Media sometimes the media no. We are all misled. Mwanka vilify John Mahama basis our time and confirm it to Kwaha and confirm I say Bas Brandon. 7 years down the line, remaining saying 99 more days to go to the polls. Nobody. And I count myself amongst such journalists. We took wrong information out there because nobody is ready to talk. And then where John Mahama is out there doing his campaign, and yet all the new what do you think you've done to all of us? For the journalists there, don't let the journalists talk rubbish. Absolutely balderdash.
Hot news all time.
Ghana
You're watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Mumpewe na mupasutro.
Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Video we me ana me ye me ana me de honorable di o kan ye me de aka ho because e ye nkwase asem na attach aka no tie attach ya
Economies ya ne hojo onyansafo ba onyansafo awa no msa o mo ka so nyame ahira yo nyame ahira ana me ka kyerem se Ghana ya benya onyansafo awa no msa Mumpewe na mupasutro. Economies ya ne hojo onyansafo ba onyansafo awa no msa
ya wunye Jimmy fo onyansafo adekro nta ye mu bi mu ye betena abrochira che ye betena ha che ena na me ka kire honorable Kennedy Agyapong no emre honorable Kennedy Agyapong kan last year said toda ohu Ghana fo bi no ma ye te abrochire. And he said, yes, we are British citizens. We are American citizens. I am not until you say, na ebeya yemrefie na yenyanya ye wa bruche ye American citizens ye British for ye Italian citizens ye German for ye beya yenye jane ye pachire ye po ye Ghana for. And I'm sure mbeka chire honorable Kennedy Agyapong say waka ya ti but yentie dabi yentie. Yeah, British ni ye pa and ye proud say ye British for ye proud say ye America for ye proud say ye German for Italians Dutch ye proud because when you have leaders a woman young kwasia for to say they are attaching ye how can you tell us say would the economists be ba na owa hobrasie na owonimudie when ye kwhwe economists na dwuma awaya credit reference agencies are downgrading Ghana to junk status. Economists no all but now 1 Ghana dollar to CD, na 4 CDs. And economists no dollar to CD, 16 CDs. And I say this same economist, your currency all bano, na your currency in depreciating in Ruha, and na your currency the third worst performing in Africa. Under this same economist, sikabobra itese yenya no COVID amresho emposika president Mahama jijejawo Ghana yen coffers inketinketim on your heritage fund yen get fund yen we sikanka kakra president Mahama jaye 100 million here 300 million there 100 million there mobile mo dini nyina bi mata frita mo say mo winompe aweka say awi plate no kura mo awi plate na mudidi mo kura mo awi plate no chese bibia asa emene kura yedru food crisis ene ne yedru be ka kire yen say economists no onimanyansa na owa hobrasie se wunjimi ya what would your politics it be
Attach news on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na bibia anya me ya wa asem we mu se wo attach ya na nkasa wo ba ye hwe akwan Akufo Addo de wo fa so da bi o attach ya ye nyina ye nim ekwan a wo mo de wo fa so a second term you kura ya ma wo post enso wo ni Jimmy da bi o mo attach ya Jimmy mo Jimmy we na me makoma no entumi standing no because Jimmy broni bi e ni ho a obeye de attach ya yi enu nti no esanse oni hwe ya obeka kire bebia na ogina wo kasa no enti este odidi president Mahama atem na all reduce campaign ni nyina to say president Mahama no mansa you see the foolishness in the system mo nkwasi asemre we NPP no
mo kasa onyame ahira yo onyame ahira
yen kasa onyame ahira yen say economy ye junk status yen kase onyame ahira yen say ya pam ye free bond market yen kase onyame ahira yen ene yedru food crisis yen kasa onyame ehira yen se yasa kwakopie IMF yen kasa onyame ehira yen se yedi 12 million kachira ye se ya Poalugu dam na so yen ye na $12 million ayira yen kanchira yen se onyame ehira yen when Akoto amona $58 million national cathedral yen nonko okujeto sese na no sikan kitinkitinkit munim say David J architect no o design a national cathedral nko awie ye man be $32 million e chere no almost a friend say design no ye no wa anya restaurant wom omo akai afedi omo per restaurant wom enti on sambra be design a restaurant in friendship restaurant no samba be design di shame eno ko aye say tuya ne be another $18 million yen kwa kasa nyame ehira ehwe ne amona na esi ho eno na me ka kire me husband say me te na no say Dr. Manebo ama e ka say NDC ba abemu a enyame adoma omo de eho no ebeye omo de besi children's hospital no asema me kan ya ne say NDC for ya me ebeye me de and I think say ye the see children's hospital na is a very good idea because eya o na ewo yemu e wo sa sika na ya hwere no ho the only thing ebeyi eya o na free yemu ene say ye hu say eho no e serve enkwara eno na ebeyi ya o na free yemu. Now, Akufo Addo di 80 years. Why never betua sa sika na Akufo Addo amana sika ekana yabo e was a national because remember, yasu obubu judge for dying. Obubu scholarship secretariat dying. Obubu companies binuma na wo. Obubu Bulgarian embassy for dying. Obubu Malian embassy for dying. Ni na ye ka aba beto Ghana so. Why never betua sa sika no? Any person we di 80 years. Akufo Addo di 80 years. Enti se sa eka na waboye no why never betua. Enti akoye ka hunu kwa. Debi o otinkwam ye wose ye mane tworo krata bi na nabusuafo otua o. E wose ye kohwe Ghana mrem. Ne ye pe emre bi se mre bi wo ho a. Anas bibi ye di mre bi shem. Na ye manager undertaking bi se nabusuafo na betua because ye ntumi ma oba akufo. Because na me catch me husband say na ye di komo na catch me husband say Inti imagine say President Mahama aba ana aban foforo aba na investors impose Bawumia no mpo no beba na investors aba omainim na bia ye no wo makodi national cathedral nkomo na investors ne bebi say say na eba ne sing what is the story behind when you know before we put our money in there. The story behind it is that obi bedi president and obeka kire ye say ono ko share ne dem se ne pass you se the toilet so na na oti woni fie se he na o show e na okọ share bo ma Nyankopon ono na okọ ka kire Nyankopon se wo ma medi president and media meya ma wuni. That is it. What do you think aborofo no bedwen afa ye ho ade na oba Akufo personal promise okoye ma Nyankopon ene ababeda ne a curse e de ato oman so. This same person ese okọ na ono de na chi eja na bedi echire ni a wa faili but Atta Kyea say yen koda Nyankopon ase say ye faili mo hu nkwase asem no mo hu Ghana nkwase asem sem on nyamesem Ghana dia wo hia say wo de Bible ada Ghana ni wo de Bible ada bibini me ye Kristo ni pa but tuntumi fa nyamesem mo ada me untumi fa Bible e meto madwene ko madwene ne ejadwuma enti Atta Kyea say kona koda nyame ase se wo IMF boduku na koyi Nyankopon aye se ya downgrade wo to junk status baller status credit reference agency se wo wiase mu nyina downgrade Ghana to junk status Fitch Moody's omo ekeke ka ho ya pame free bond market Atta Kyea se kona koda nyame ase enti se wo any Atta Kyea wo NPP ni no na Atta Kyea e ka sa asem le kire wo no wo any Atta Kyea no hwan na ye jimifo wona wote hotie no wo wagimi chen Atta Kyea na oka asam ne kire wo because me ka be sorry free ho. Let this mind be in you as is in Christ Jesus no me ema me ntena se me ntumi ntena se ntie nkwase asam enti se say mo na mo tena se na mutie Atta Kyea no mo ene Atta Kyea why na enim nyansa mo na mo tena se na because ono no clearly onim nyansa e na obeka nkwase asam de akire mo but why were you still sitting there listening to him applauding? No, you see how very foolish Ghana phobinum are. And the only reason why you are acting foolish is because of politics. Yes, in Mensah, Upeso was a bibini Jimia, and Mensah. politics, religion, and football. Top 2, politics and religion. And how Jim said the BBNC Jimmy Siafa. Training Jonas Bessie, BB so ye nipo debi, I thought that be before ye had say more. And so I brought them one answer. Like we are educated people. We are looking at the numbers. We are looking at the indices, the metrics. We are looking at everything. Ghana fairly to the point where just yesterday, the finance minister of the Republic of Ghana was telling us that you drew food crisis. What's the young conqueror Nyamiase? Young conqueror Nyamiase said a busia, a for a year to mean tria. Interested near tria fiti John the Baptist Amerisu Yadasuchia interests. A kana yaji the Korean to mean tria. Akwawe Atta Kyea say yankwada nyankopon ase say a free Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yen first president, the founder of Ghana Ameriso. De besi sabio incompetent John Mahama so na ye kenyina de 122 billion. Almost ankwasiafo we Ameriso yeka omo nko aka wo mabebo 5 times 642 billion. Osi yankwada nyame ase 642 billion 8 years yen simo hospital ba completed. No. You to me see university back from beginning to end. No. Yes, I could do IMF. But you see the stupidity in Ghana?
Ghana benya onya safu awa nomusa. Mumpa we na mupa sutro.
Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political NPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Video way me ana me ye me ana me de honorable di okan ye me de aka because a young kwasia sem na attach aka no na me nim how else I can say than to use honorable Kennedy Agyapong voice me papa na voice because no kura na papa na kan ye no say ya recordings na moko record mwankasa moko record osafo mafo na mo de ko ma NDC fo. It shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Say ya the attach Kyea, it shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Say ya Bawumia we failure still amoko yin as flag bearer. It shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Whichever way you look at it, the MPP sometimes they act, and yes, sometimes for the most part they act very stupid. And on a Dr. Antonio Akoto was 70% of the men in the, and not just the men and the women in the MPP. Now it is more than 70%. It is about 97% of the people in the MPP are very, very stupid people. What be a bullshit? Jimmy, MPP. Jimmy, MPP. This batch of MPP. I don't know the Akufo Addo, the Ayawarmo. Meaning the Akufo Addo, this batch, this particular MPP. Meaning, I don't know. Oh my Jimmy. Ah, everybody nyame. Hey, na party when na me papa ewo mu bi no. Party when na Mr. Grandfather, Mr. BJ da Rochamo, na yenti wu jai no. Se na yesusa na yenim. Na ende na wiase bie na adwen mu bie ye nyina ye kuta technology ye hwehwe e na afi na ma ye hu how very stupid MPP mpanimfoɔ can be and how very stupid a BB4 in general, Africa for Ghana for politics election beba. Say hey, Mr. Jimino is beyond measure.
You're waiting for winning and some more about the toy. You so because GC News so and our channel. So we know subscribe here. But more than say over subscribe to the channel. And say hadi latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo. Afriyie know like if you don't give us a thumbs up now see share my offer for us now. When you be here, and we want some so. What's will bet me at share what you fire and some way now. I will comment in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.